Hello and welcome back. Let's talk about the best practices when working with transients. Firstly, when storing data about posts or terms in transients, avoid saving titles or any other dynamic data that could change. Titles, links, excerpts, movie content, and post content can be updated at any time and repeatedly by the editors. For example, if I'm adding a new movie, it's saved and displayed with new content. But then, if I update the title, and I've stored the title data in the transient, if we have set the updating mechanism of transients, as we saw in the previous video, our transient will get repeatedly updated on every save, which is not optimal. So generally we only save post or term IDs because IDs only change occasionally. We can save only the IDs data that won't modify, and using those IDs, we can always fetch the post data from the database and display it. Also, avoid storing all the data that you don't need for display purposes. Whatever data you need for the front end or any specific functionality is what you should save. For example, if you're making a remote API call and fetching data from external APIs and only using some fraction of the data, storing the entire response in the transient data or cache won't be useful because we don't need the entire response. We only need specific pieces of information. So storing only that relevant data in the transient or object cache and using it as needed is better. This way, we keep our cache data minimal and store only the information we require, not the entire response or the entire results. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Chai WordPress.